settings. Let's explore what they are, their impact, and why they're essential.
Multicultural backgrounds refers to environments where people from diverse cultural backgrounds, ethnicities, and identities. These settings can be found in school, workplace, communities, and more.
We're going to discuss the effect of multicultural settings. So, multicultural settings has profound impact. They foster creativity, innovation, and empathy. By embracing diversity, we can break down barriers and build stronger, more resilient communities.
Multicultural settings also foster inclusivity, social cohesion, and reduce biases. However, multiculturalism can also lead to rigid thinking, increased intergroup biases, and potential conflicts due to varying expectations and communication styles.
Promoting multicultural settings is crucial for creating an inclusive environment where everyone feels valued. It allows us to tap into diverse strengths and talents, driving growth and progress. By embracing multicultural settings, we can build a more harmonious and vibrant society.
Cultural settings work towards a more inclusive future. By embracing diversity, we can unlock our full potential and create a better world for all.